Chapter 3. Our Country. We live in a very big and beautiful country, India. It is also known as Bharat. India, our motherland, is the seventh largest country in the world in terms of area. The countries bigger in size than India are Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil, and Australia. India is the second most populous country in the world. More than 100 crore people live in India. India's total land area is about 3.28 million square kilometers. From north to south, it is about 3,200 kilometers long. And from west to east, it is about 2,900 kilometers in width. The surface of India is not the same everywhere. It has almost all landforms such as mountains, plains, plateaus, desert, valleys and rivers. The northern mountains. All along the north is the Great Himalayan Mountain Range. It is the highest mountain range in the world. The peaks of most of the Himalayan mountains remain covered with snow throughout the year. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world, with a height of 8,848 meters. The other important peaks of the Himalayas are Kanchenjunga, 8,598 meters, and Nanda Devi, 7,817 meters. The climate of this region is extremely cold. The famous hill stations such as Shimla, Dalhousie, Nainital, and Darjeeling are located here. The famous valleys of Kashmir and Kullu Manali are also situated in the Himalayas. The lower region of the Himalayas are covered with thick forest. This region is called Terai. Many rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Indus, and Satluj rise in the Himalayas. These rivers flow throughout the year as they receive water from the melting snow of the Himalayas. They bring rich soil with them. The northern plains. In the northern part of India, you will see flat or level land. These are called the northern plains of India. These plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. Many rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, Ravi, Satluj flow through these plains. These rivers have made the land fertile and rich. Many crops are grown here. Therefore, this region is densely populated. The plains are very hot in summer and very cold in winter. The Peninsular Plateau. The southern part of India is triangular in shape and is surrounded by seas on three sides. This type of land is called a peninsula. The Indian peninsula is surrounded by the Arabian Sea on the west and Bay of Bengal in the east. The Indian Ocean lies in the south. The Indian peninsula is a plateau region. Therefore, it is also called Peninsular Plateau. A plateau is a flat, uneven land which is higher than its surrounding area. Most of the land surface is uneven and rocky here. The soil is not very fertile, but the plateau region is very rich in minerals. Many big rivers like the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri originate in the plateau. As these rivers are rain-fed, they have very little water in summer. Sometimes they even dry up. The desert. A desert is a very large area of land covered with sand and has very little water. The northwestern part of India is a desert. This is known as the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. It occupies most of the western Rajasthan. This part does not receive much rainfall throughout the year. The climate is very hot and dry. The land is not suitable for cultivation. Only few bushes, thorny plants, and palm trees grow in this region. Life is very hard in the desert. Therefore, the desert area is thinly populated. The islands. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. The southern part of India is surrounded by sea on three sides. The Arabian Sea lies in the west, the Bay of Bengal lies in the east, and the Indian Ocean is in the south. One group of islands is in the Bay of Bengal. They are called the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The other group of islands is in the Arabian Sea. They are called the Lakshadweep Islands. Let's understand populous, crowded, width, the distance across or thickness, densely, heavily, originate, start or create. Recap. India is the seventh largest and second most populated country in the world. The Himalayas are the highest mountain range in the world. The northern plains of India are very fertile. The Indian peninsula is surrounded by water on three sides. The northwestern part of India consists of a sandy desert known as Thar Desert. India has two groups of islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea.